came out focusing on the music now. So for me, that's the most important thing for me, to be honest. That is why I haven't had time to mentally think about anything else.
Is this conversation a possibility?
No. See, like own it now. Is it a big deal? You don't like me, I don't like you. We don't ever want to talk to each other, but don't go out and form
Lecon reveals why he hasn't reconciled with Erica. 2020 Big Brother Naija winner Olamilekan Agbeleshe, popularly known as Lecon, has responded to the beef between him and Erica after the latter reignited her resentment and hatred towards him at the recently aired episode of the BB Naija reunion show. You will recall that Erica was disqualified following her misbehavior in the house after raining insults and unprintable words at Lecon for saying that she tried to kiss him on several occasions. Well, in the recently aired episode of the BB Naija reunion, Erica described Lecon, the BB Naija 2020 winner, as a snake, as she cautioned people not to trust him, as all he tries to do is to make people have empathy towards him. Reacting to all that Erica said about him on the show, Lecon made it clear that he is not going to be dragging an issue that happened when he was in the house in 2020. Now, as he is focused on making his fans buy and stream his music. However, he disclosed that his feud with Erica could have been avoided and perhaps mended at some point in their lives. In his words, he said, "What happened could have been avoided, and also it should or could probably be mended at some point." Guys, what do you think about this beef between Erica and Lecon? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if it's your first time viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell to get new info whenever a new video drops. Thanks and stay safe.